Windy will be in the vocabulary, at least for eastern and southern parts of Britain, for the next day or so. Not so, though, for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and it wasn't actually that much different to today, because you'll notice that the showers that are on this radar picture have been coming in from the east, across the Midlands down towards the south. That line there is a cold front, by the way, just going through Jersey. Very few showers up around Scotland. Indeed, there's been some nice breaks in what is a rather cloudy picture. But there it is, and in fact pressure is high, so you don't expect very active weather. One thing you can get from high pressure is pretty strong winds, and that is certainly what we're going to get, as the centre, very light winds, shows come out from that. Tight isobars suggest quite a squeeze through the channel. In fact, we're expecting gale force winds through the English Channel. Tonight those winds will pick up, and another pulse of drizzle, possibly even sleet for the highest ground in the south, will move up through the Midlands and up towards Wales, but it should be largely dry from, say, Derbyshire northwards, and of course coldest here as well, a touch of frost for the Western Highlands, maybe parts of western Northern Ireland as well. The morning then, cloudy from, again, Derbyshire southwards would be a fairly good bet, with outbreaks of drizzle and rain still left around. A touch of sleet is just about possible on the highest ground, and increased wind, and here you are, this is gale force through the English Channel. To the north of that, though, it should be quite nice, maybe more sunshine than we saw this morning. Still a few showers on the east coast, and maybe on the North York Moors or further north. On the highest ground there could be a touch of winter in those as well, but lighter winds up here. Into the afternoon, and much of that dull weather should be drifting away from the south coast of England, though sunshine will certainly be at a premium, and there'll still be a few showers running around. Temperatures on the whole don't look bad, 5 or 6 roughly average, but that 3 gives you a clue, because if you add the wind and get the wind chill, much of the country is going to feel very cold. I should say much of England and Wales, because if you're in Scotland or Northern Ireland, you should enjoy tomorrow, and in fact the next few days as well. Overnight, another pulse of rain. This is tomorrow night. We'll be bringing possibly a bit of winter back to Salisbury Plain and the moors of the southwest, but pressure remains high through Friday and into the weekend, which means basically fine weather for most of the country, but with an onshore breeze in the east and the south, that'll be where all the cloud is, and where any further outbreaks of drizzle or even sleet.